Hi, today I'm going to give you a demonstration of the administrative features of Millwork Development's online e-catalog. First, why would a distributor want to offer the online e-catalog? The online e-catalog ensures all users are using the latest version of the e-catalog with up-to-date pricing. The online e-catalog provides a single location for updating the application and maintaining pricing. The online e-catalog can be used in situations where an installation is not possible. Some big box locations do not allow software installations, and the online e-catalog can be accessed from Internet Explorer version 6.0 or later. In addition, the e-catalog can be used on smartphones and tablets. Okay, on to the demonstration. The online version of the e-catalog has additional functionality built in to make the adding and updating of users simple. The online e-catalog defines 4 user levels: distributor admin, territory admin, customer admin, and user. A user of the online e-catalog will notice very little difference between the desktop version and the online version of their e-catalog. This allows for a seamless transition between the desktop and online version of the e-catalog. The additional features of the e-catalog can be accessed through the settings page and are available to any users defined at the admin level. Let's take a look at the settings page. When an admin opens up the settings form, the first thing that they'll notice is that there is a toolbar at the top of the page. This toolbar is where all the additional features for the online e-catalog are contained. A standard user will not see this administrative toolbar. So the first thing I want to highlight is the settings group. You'll notice that the default setting is My Settings. When an admin is logged in and the settings group says My Settings, any of the information filled in, whether it be company information, mapping the data paths, or the multipliers, the admin will only be changing their own personal settings. By selecting something different in the settings group, the admin is able to update the settings based on the selection. So let's select all retail users. When all retail users is selected, the distributor admin is able to change the settings for all online users. This is only available to a distributor admin. A territory admin will see a list of the territories assigned to them, as well as any retailers assigned to their territory. The territory admin will then be able to change the settings for either their territory or all the users assigned to a retail customer assigned to their territory. A customer admin will only see the settings group associated with their own retail customer, in which case they'll be able to add and delete users assigned to their retail account. You'll also notice when the all retail users or anything other than My Settings is selected, the company information and map data path are not available. The reason is as these are individual settings and should only be set by the user or at the customer level. When the admin clicks on multipliers, they'll see a screen similar to what they would see with the desktop version of the e-catalog. Again, the multipliers are arranged in product categories. This list again will reflect those products offered by the distributor, and within each product category there will be subcategories. The admin simply updates the net and retail multipliers and hits exit. In this case, the multipliers would have been changed for all retail users. Other functionality available from the admin toolbar is a user login summary. Again, depending upon which admin is logged in, they'll be able to see, well, let's take a look. They'll be able to see the last login date, login count, retailer name, and user email for all users. Okay, so let's manage users. When a distributor admin logs in, they'll be able to add retailers, manage territories, and add users, as well as do a spreadsheet import of user information. For more information on spreadsheet importing, please contact Millwork Development for more information and an Excel spreadsheet template for importing. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how our user is added. Select Add User. Type in an email address for the user. And we do suggest adding the user as an email address. The reason being is that an online user, if they've forgotten their password, can at the login screen have their password emailed directly to them. So again, it's a convenience for the administrator to not have to go in and retrieve or reset passwords for the user. You'll see when the user is created that you can define which retailer the user is defined to, determine whether they're active, assign them as a customer admin, a territory admin, or a distributor admin. If you do select territory admin, you then select the territory assigned to that user. A user can also be deleted from this screen. Okay, let's take a look at the Manage Territories screen. From the Manage Territories screen, a distributor admin can add a territory and assign a retail customer to a territory. That concludes the demonstration of the administrative features of the online e-catalog. For more information or a more detailed summary of the features, please visit Millwork Development on the web at millworkdevelopment.com. Thank you.